Okay, in this short video I am going to show you how to model a variety of objects. That variety is a cone, sphere and cylinder. I'm going to show you how to do it using the Revolve Boss base feature. Okay, so I'm going to go new, alright, I'm going to go advanced, and I'm going to go planes of reference. Okay, so I have two of these. If you don't have this, will you just call me please? Okay, so I'm going to go planes of reference. Now, so here we have it here, so we should save, okay, and we should have a specific folder, so you guys should have your own name folder. I'm going to put it in where I always do. So we're going to call it solid modeling. Okay, save. Now, so the first thing I'm going to do is, alright, I'm going to make a cone. Alright, so I'm just going to hold down the rolly button in my mouse and just move this a little bit so I can see it better. Now, I'm going to go reference geometry and I'm going to insert a plane. So I'm going to click plane. Okay, and I'm going to go portion in the vertical plane. I'm just holding down the rolly button in my mouse there and moving the mouse around. I'm just going to increase this out. Alright, so it's this plane. I'm going to click that, rename sketch plane. Okay, Control S to save your work. Now, I'm going to click the sketch plane, got normal to. We're going to go sketch, center line. And I'm just going to draw a center line roughly there in the middle. I'm going to turn off the center line command. You can turn it off there or press L twice. I'm going to click this point, hold down Control, click this edge, make coincident. So that point is at the same altitude as that line. Click this point, hold down Control, click the XY line and make coincident. Okay, and Control me to look straight to it. So now that center line is always the same height, okay, as the portion in the vertical plane. Now, I'm going to go Smart Dimension, click this center line, click this edge here, and we'll give it a size of, we'll say, 90. Okay, now the computer is gone, the sketch is gone fully defined, so it can't be moved. Now we're going to draw in a cone. So I'm going to go line, click the center line, slowly click here, turn off the line, and now we might just turn off this right in here, portion of vertical plane, portion of right click, just hide that there so it's out of the way. Now I click that there, I'm looking straight to it. Now click this point, hold down Control, click make coincident, line again, so the line to it again, line over, up, left click, Smart Dimension, okay, click that line 100, okay, this one here, we'll say 45. Now we're going to go features, Revolve Boss base, okay, and the center line is selected. We're going to click OK. Right now, so I'm going to show you, this is the model in 3D, and I'm going to show you here the elevation of it. So I'm going to click portion of vertical plane, I'm going to select sketch, and now I'm going to left click here out in the space to get unselect everything. I'm going to go convert entities, I'm going to press Control 8 to bring me normal to the plane, and look, I'm going to click that line there, and the try there, and look, there's the elevation of the cone. It appears as a triangle. We're going to exit sketch, click the horizontal plane, Control 8, and we're going to go sketch, plane here, convert entities, curve here, click OK. Now the plan view of the cone is just a circle. Now watch here now. Okay, if I click the vertical plane, Control 8, Now, I'm just hitting the down arrow key. See the way the plan view? It's directly in line with it, doesn't move. Okay, so that's the first part of our learning done. Exit sketch, save. Now in this next one, I'm going to show you how to do a cylinder and the sphere using the revolve feature. So we're going to click the sketch plane, Control 8, center line. So round about here, click up to the top, double click to let you start again, and double click there to get off it, and you can turn off the line tool by pressing escape or pressing that. Now I'm going to go to a corner rectangle. I'm just going to pick a point on this line, click the bottom there, click OK. Then I'm going to go center point arc, and again I'm going to click this here, and I clicked just there, and then I moved this around, and I've drawn a semicircle. So turn it off, line tool, click the line here, join up to there, and now we're going, these sketches are blue, they say underdefined. They need to be black. A blue sketch means it can consistently be moved across the screen. Okay, so I'm going to add in my relations. So this bottom line, I'm going to hold down Control, click the bottom line there, collinear. That means that bottom line is always at the bottom. I'm going to click this line, hold down Control, click that point there, and make coincident. So that means that the height of this rectangle is always the same height of the cone. Okay, what I'm about to do now is you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to exit the sketch. Watch here, I click the revolve, right click sketch 7, change that to, we'll say 200. Okay, exit sketch, see the way how the rectangle change with it. Okay, now get back to where we were. I'm going to click the semicircle, hold down Control, that there, make tangent. Okay, I'm going to go smart dimension. I'm going to give this a size of 35. Okay, now if I go click that line, give it a size, it won't let me do it, it goes yellow. This sketch needs to know how far this center line is from the origin. So I click the center line there with my smart dimension tool. You can click the origin or the line there behind it. We can go 190. So the rectangle is going black over here. The center line needs information as to where it's from. Still do fine. Smart dimension 35. Okay, now so these are going to be our two revolves here. So I'm going to go features, revolve boss base, okay, axis of revolution, this one, okay, and then we can turn where is it here now, selected contours, okay, just this one, okay, click OK, and then what we can do next is show click the revolve, under the revolve right click and show, and I'm actually going to do what I'm going to do is, because it interlaps there with the sphere, instead of us exiting that sketch, we're actually going to just right click, okay, and get rid of those two there. So just click it, delete, so it doesn't run into your sphere. Alright, exit sketch, save your work regularly. Okay, we'll click the sketch plane, so hold down the rolling button on your mouse and move it around so you can see it, click it, normal to, sketch, center line, okay, so I'll start it about there. We need to give it a size, so smart dimension, okay, 270 we'll say, okay, center point arc for a semicircle. Click this one, down to there, down there, line tool. Now we can start giving it a size. So I'll click this, hold down control, click that one, make tangent, start dimension. Okay, we'll make this 25. Okay, click OK. Features, revolve boss base. And if the center line is activated, it'll automatically become a sphere. So I'll click OK there. So we'll rename these. Click it, F2, cone. F2, cylinder. Always rename your work. Sphere. Now I'm going to right click, hide this sketch, hide, right click, sketch, hide, right click the plane, hide, right click, hide there. And now I'm going to teach you how to change the color. So appearance, okay, and under bodies, what you can do is change the colors there. You have to right click, clear selection first. And it's disastrous the way you can't do them all in one go with different colors. I would love that, but you can't. Right, so click OK, appearance, clear selection, bodies, green, and selection. Okay, OK there. Save your work. Now we'll do an elevation of them all together. So click at the front plane, normal 2, left click, or sorry, click this sketch, then left click, convert entities. So these edges here, not the face, just the edges. Okay, if it does that, we just go again, do it again, and there it lets us do it again. So there's the elevation on the vertical plane. We'll exit our sketch. Okay, click the horizontal plane, sketch, and here will be the plan view, convert entities. So our bases, you can see they're all circles, but exit our sketch. Now one thing and save our work, the last thing I'm going to show you in this video is definitely how it's affected, okay, what the elevation really entirely means in relation to the position of the solid, right? So I'm going to type in here a feature called move, alright, so you have to have the drop down arrow on black commands. So move, copy bodies. Right, now bodies to move, so I'm going to click this one. Right, I'm going to type in copy. Alright, and I'm going to go to the drop down arrow and I'm going to go to rotate, and I'm going to click this point here. Alright, and sorry, I clicked the line there. So I'm going to rotate that. I'm going the wrong way. So I'm going to rotate that until it's 90 degrees. So you can type in 90 there if you want. Alright, and notice the way it's just gone back with the feature there. Press F there if it goes out of the way. It's gone back to the vertical plane, but I have no issues with that. Okay, I'm going to click OK. Right, now I'm going to use that command again. Bodies to move, this one. Untick copy. I'm going to go to translate, and along the y-axis I'm going to drag it up here. Now there we have a different colour. So this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, hide this body, and I'm going to right click, hide those sketches too, and show you how it changes. So I'll click the vertical plane, sketch, convert entities, circle, OK, exit sketch, click the horizontal plane, sketch, click out here on the left, convert entities, okay, the extreme generators here, click on the XY line, or you could actually pick up the circle, click OK. See the way there's a triangle? So a circle, an elevation, and a triangle direct. So a circle and elevation, and a triangle directly underneath it is a cone, but the cone is orientated as shown. It's like a little spike coming out of the wall. See the way it's different. I'll exit that sketch and I'll show you underneath this one here. See the way I put that up? See, they're the exact same distance, and the apex is right where is what you call it, running into the circle. Right, so you do that. So in this video you would have learned, okay, how to use the move copy body feature. Okay, you would have learned how to convert entities, i.e. convert an existing sketch onto another surface. You would have learned how to use the revolve boss base feature. Okay, you would have also learned how to create cones, cylinders, and spheres. Okay, right. So you should rename these as you go along. I'll leave it at that. Right, cheers, thank you, bye bye.